Senator Sherwin Gatchalian wants an inquiry into the scheduled increase in the monthly contributions of Social Security System members from 14 to 15%. In a copy sa Senado Forum on Wednesday, January 8, Gatchalian says he intends to file a resolution next week that will propel an investigation into the SSS issue. According to Gatchalian, the problem lies within management, believing members' contributions shouldn't increase.
Para sa akin, this is a management problem. Dahil in any organization, importante kolektahin mo yung utang mo. Kung problema mo ay management mo, hindi mo pwede ito ipasa sa pagtataas ng contribution. Yung pag hindi mo pagkokolekta ng utang, problema ng management yan eh. Baka mabagal yung management. Baka hindi kumikilo si management. Pero management problem yan.
Gatchalian says he wants to focus on the management's efficiency and performance should the Senate investigation begin.
Ako ang magfo-focus ako doon sa management side. Tingnan natin ngayon kung ang management ay efficient, nagpo-perform, at tingnan rin natin kung yung investment nila ay maganda ang ibinabalik sa membro. Theoretically nga, dapat yung investment ang nagbabayad sa mga benepisyo. Hindi ka na dapat magtaas eh. Pero obviously kulang, kaya nagtataas sila ng premiums.
SSS will collect more from its members this year, from the 14% contribution rate in 2024 to 15% in 2025. Under Republic Act No. 11199, the SSS contribution rate increased by 1% every 2 years, starting at 12% in 2019 and culminating at 15% in 2025.